Word a Day English Podcast IELTS Series, Episode 01. Describe your hometown.
Focus, IELTS Speaking Part 1. Main skill, giving natural, developed personal answers. Core vocabulary: hometown, residential, lively, peaceful, convenient, crowded, located, atmosphere.
Welcome to the Word a Day English Podcast.
The podcast where you improve your English through clear, natural conversations.
I'm Maya.
And I'm Daniel.
Welcome to our IELTS series.
In this series, we'll help you build clear, natural, well-developed answers for IELTS speaking.
Today's topic is your hometown.
It sounds simple, but simple IELTS questions can still produce weak answers if you stop too quickly.
So today, we'll practice how to answer directly, add detail, give a reason, and make the answer personal.
First, listen for the main idea. Then we'll review useful language, speaking patterns, shadowing, and a short IELTS challenge.
Ready?
Let's begin.
Scene 1. Talking about your hometown. Daniel, where are you from?
I'm from a medium-sized city near the coast.
What's it like?
It's fairly relaxed compared with larger cities. The city center can get busy, but the area where I grew up is quite peaceful.
What do you like most about it?
Probably the location. You can get to the coast quite easily, but you still have most of the services and entertainment you'd expect from a city.
Is there anything you don't like?
Traffic has become a problem in recent years. The city has grown quickly, so some roads get very crowded during rush hour.
Would you like to live there again in the future?
Possibly. I wouldn't move back immediately, but I can imagine living there again later in life because I still have strong connections to the place.
That already sounds like an IELTS answer.
Yes. The key is that I didn't stop after saying where the city was. I added description, comparison, change, and personal opinion.
IELTS answer building. Imagine the examiner asks, where is your hometown?
A very short answer might be, my hometown is Izmir.
That is correct, but we can develop it naturally.
For example, my hometown is Izmir, a large city on the western coast of Turkey. It's particularly well known for its seaside atmosphere, and I've always liked how open and lively it feels.
Notice the structure.
Direct answer.
One useful detail.
Then a personal comment.
You do not need to give a speech for every part 1 question.
Usually 2 or 3 connected sentences are enough.
Useful expressions. Expression 1, it's located in.
Example, my hometown is located in the western part of the country.
Repeat, it's located in.
Expression 2, it's known for.
Example, the area is known for its beaches and relaxed lifestyle.
Repeat, it's known for.
Expression 3, what I like most about it is.
Example, what I like most about it is the atmosphere.
Expression 4, compared with.
Example, compared with the capital, it feels much less crowded.
Expression 5, it has changed quite a lot over the years.
Example, it has changed quite a lot over the years because many new neighborhoods have been built.
Vocabulary in context. Lively means full of activity and energy.
The city center is lively in the evening.
Residential means mainly used for homes.
I grew up in a quiet residential area.
Convenient means easy and practical to use or reach.
Public transport is convenient in the city center.
Atmosphere means the general feeling of a place.
I like the friendly atmosphere of my hometown.
Crowded means full of people or traffic.
The streets can become crowded at weekends.
IELTS speaking pattern. Here is a simple pattern you can use in part 1.
Answer, detail, reason.
Question: Do you like your hometown?
Answer, yes, I do.
Detail: It's a fairly lively city with plenty of things to do.
Reason, I especially like it because I can enjoy city life without being too far from the coast.
Put it together.
Yes, I do. It's a fairly lively city with plenty of things to do, and I especially like it because I can enjoy city life without being too far from the coast.
Shadowing practice. Listen once. Then repeat with the same rhythm. My hometown has changed considerably over the years.
Your turn.
My hometown has changed considerably over the years. What I like most about it is the relaxed atmosphere.
Your turn.
What I like most about it is the relaxed atmosphere. Compared with larger cities, it feels much more manageable.
Your turn.
Compared with larger cities, it feels much more manageable. It can get crowded, especially during the summer months.
Your turn.
It can get crowded, especially during the summer months. Speaking practice. Question 1. Where is your hometown?
Pause and answer in 2 or 3 sentences.
Model answer: My hometown is in the western part of the country. It's quite a large city, and it's especially well known for its coastline and warm atmosphere. Question 2. What do you like most about your hometown?
Model answer: What I like most is that there are plenty of things to do without the city feeling too stressful. I also enjoy being close to the sea.
Question 3. Has your hometown changed much?
Model answer: Yes, quite a lot. It has become more crowded in recent years, and several new residential areas have been developed.
Question 4. Is your hometown a good place for young people?
Model answer: I think so. There are universities, cafes, cultural events, and plenty of places to socialize, although finding affordable housing can sometimes be difficult.
Question 5. Would you like to live there in the future?
Model answer: Possibly. I enjoy living in different places now, but I could imagine returning later because my family and many of my memories are connected to the city.
Listening challenge. Listen to this short answer once without stopping.
I grew up in a small town about an hour from the capital. It used to be extremely quiet, but it has developed quickly over the last decade. More people have moved there because housing is cheaper, and several new shops and restaurants have opened. I still like the town because it feels safe and familiar, although I sometimes miss how peaceful it used to be.
Question 1. Why have more people moved to the town?
Think for a moment.
Question 2. What positive feeling does the speaker have about the town?
Think again.
Question 3. What does the speaker miss?
Now summarize the answer in your own words.
Final IELTS challenge. Speak for 30 to 45 seconds about your hometown.
Try to include where it is, what it is like, what you like about it, one problem, and one change you have noticed.
Don't memorize the model answer.
Use the structure, but make the content your own.
Final recap. Today you practiced hometown vocabulary, answer development, natural comparisons, shadowing, and IELTS Part 1 speaking.
Remember, don't stop after the direct answer.
Add a useful detail.
Give a reason.
And make your English personal.
Thank you for listening to the Word a Day English podcast.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
And keep building your English one conversation at a time.
See you in episode 2.
Bye.